Thokozani bogogo nabokhulu, thokozani madlozi amahle. Ngibiza lina madlozi amahle akhanyayo, madlozi aphilisayo. Ngibiza lina eliletha ukukhanya, lina eliletha ukuthula, lina eliletha ukuthokoza. Ngibiza lina abakuncube umzilankatha, onhlansi, ongikhatheka ingeni endlini, lina ozibiza endlela. Thokozani bogogo, thokozani bokhulu, thokozani makhehla amahle. Ngibiza lina madlozi akhanyayo aphilisayo, lina eliseduze loNkulunkulu, lina eliseduze lomveli inqangi. Yimi umzukulu wenu uPrince uSivalo, ngizalwa ngoAbel umkwakwa, yena ezalwa nguMaxen, ozalwa ngumleke, bona bengabazukulu bakamagodonga. Ngibiza lina bogogo nabokhulu, ngikhona la njengomzukulu wenu elamchiya la emhlabeni. Celani konke elingenzela ukukhanya kube lempumelelo makhehla amadala. Ngikhuleka phezulu kwenhlanhla makhehla amahle, ngikhuleka phezulu kokukhanya lisuse konke ubuhlungu empilweni zethu bogogo labomkhulu. Lo muntu obikele uhlelo izinto zakhe zimhambele kuhle bogogo labomkhulu. Ngibiza lina amagodonga amahle ukuthi likhanyise empilweni zabofowethu labodadewethu. Sicela lisinikeze amandla bogogo labokhulu ukuthi izinto zihambe zikhanye njengekhandlela leli. Ngime ngikhuluma lapho umzukulu wenu uSivalo, lo muntu obuya la kuzobuyela, ngicela limkhanyisele indlela zakhe bogogo nabomkhulu. Thokozani. African spirituality is so diverse, but we actually going to the same place. So the use of this in Ndebele might be different, just small aspects within Kalanga culture, within Shona culture, within Gasa, within Venda, and just across Africa, and the different types of tobacco that I use is the one that's more indigenous. Esibiza ukuthi Gasa, Ibute. So many uses. The herbalist and these Zangoma, especially those that dwell on the issue of African herbs, use snuff as a means of communication in extracting those herbs, so that the potency and the effectiveness becomes very high towards a patient. Thokozani.
Abadala igwayi lisebenza umuntu olenyoka othwasiswayo uyalikholela likholiwe lithathe umgani wesihlahla ethele phakathi enathe bemezi inyoka zangikhona ziyaphuma ke khonapho ethathe futhi igwazi leliyana egeze ngalo. Igwayi leliyana lihlala emfukweni yakhe kahlukani lalo, uhlala likuye kuphela. Lobe lala ntambama uyavuvuzela emakhanda alibeke khonapho. Thina sazi khonokho. Mina ngazi khonokho sibili yikho esathwasa ngakho, siyalinatha sigeze ngalo, silale lalo siliqamele khonapho. Ephahleni ebadaleni kathantu uyakhuluma khonapho liphethe ngenkezo. Ukhuluma khonapho ulichitha, ukhuluma uziqede lokho ukhuluma siyekela. Imhlobo kulalo nelicholwa ngokuthiwa ngomdombo lokho okuhlale egangeni. Kulebuthe kulogasa yangu yogasa yena lo. Manje abalezinyoka basebenzisa ugasa. Limpheni baba linukeni. Mina mpemayonelela kithi ugasa amphambanisi kathi ngabhema liphishwa ngaphandle kwaleli ngathwasela kilo ngikhula.
Lapha ngizazama ukukhuluma ngemhlobo yegwayi esilisebenzisayo thina esintwini. Njobana singabantu sichiyene ngemhlobo lokuthi igwayi leli lisebenzela njani abanye abantu. Kulomdombo esithi ngumdombo kaGasa. Umdombo kaGasa muhle ulungele abantu abanengi. Umdombo kaGasa uyageza, uyabhema, uyabika ngawo. Muhle futhi ukuthi njobana nxa ulandelisisa isintu ukuphonga ugcina nje uhlezi endlini. Ukuba khona kwawo khona khana thina esikholwa esintwini siyakwazi ukuthi abadala babe bekwazi ukuthi njani la nxa sivakatsha khona phana kuyena lanantu mbeni ngumntwana kumbeni ngumzukulu usikhumbulile ngegwayi lethu esilibhemayo kube sekusiba lelinye okuthiwa libuthe ibuthe lisetshenziswa anytime ungezwa ufuna ukulibhema ngoba abanye abantu bangatsha umuntu engatshayo ikhanda vele ngelayo okunye ukuthi ngakusebenzisa ngalithatha lona lelani igwayi alibheme ikhanda liyathula lalo uyageza ngalo uyabika ngalo ngingeke ngathi mina ngingapha ongimuntu wesindebeleni ngiswele umdombo ngize ngigiqike ngife lona ibuthe likhona so ngiyalithatha lona lelana ngilisebenzisele angisebenzele then kube sekusiba lelinye lithi ichikwarimba kuyabe kuyisigaqa kungani kuyibulongo bendlovu lona leliyana lalo lisebenza kakhulu isikhathi esiningi abantu laba abangena emanzini balisebenzisa yo amagwayi esilawo elizweni lethu lawo wonke asebenza okufananayo achiyene ngendawo kodwa wonke ngabiza amadlozi akwethu.
I think you've noticed that I'm a person who's spiritual. Thanda vele ukukholelwa ukuthi kumele sikhulume kumele sithandaze sibiye ebadaleni abadala babe khona lapha emhlabeni awasekho bona abasilethela ukukhanya. So you've just seen ukuthi how the use of snuff is applied different uses across different cultures. That's one important thing that we need to emphasize. So today we want to look at an important I say important connecting tool that's used within African spirituality. You know how passionate about when we do these episodes of African spirituality, in the sense that it's something that speaks to us in our true essence as abantu abamnyama, as Africans. So in previous videos we have done some of the connecting tools that are used in a ceremony known as Ukuphahla. Ukuphahla basically means is communing with your ancestors, so that they relay that message to Umveli uNkulunkulu, uThixo, Moari Modim, God, our creator. So we did a video on Impepha. Okay, we call this Impepha in Ndebele, but the common term that's there is Impepo. So connecting in the sense that if you want to connect, the first thing that's very important is intention. So whatever you do when you're doing prayer, you should have a good heart. So then there's the candle lights up the room because ubizabadala endaweni emnyama. Then umqombothi liquor. But now this now depends ukuthi abadala bona babethandani. That can be done through consultation with isangoma or ungabuza abadala. There's an elderly within the culture who was meant to speak to the elders, so they all know what type of beverages are needed. So uqakathekile ukuthi thina singabantu abamnyama esasikholela ngokunatha. So anyway we would go sasinika umuntu ukunatha umqombothi amasese and so on. So but today's video we want to look at this Snuff igwayi and its importance within the dimension of African spirituality.
Mabuyani unjani ayisitomuka isiyapha tinolapha letolapha bani mikhuhlane yakasiyana siyana imwe toyikwanisa ukuthi tilaphe imwe kakale inotikona koga ayitotikona unoba wagala nayo ntolo usinasi kumwe koba kakahangana nemidzimu kana chinu chakahangana nemidzimu angachikwanise kuba kuda kuti unoya ende enotethela uthethela kwakhona gogo vanhu ngwenu atithathethela chimanje achitohakika
kuhakika zvinzvantolo tangise kokuya takwa apakuthetegwa kotogwaludiwo kunamavala kwakajiwo ngoko kunonwira busukwa kundiwa tinda kutose tiri vanjinji kuhango kunothetegwa ufodlo isvitake tihinjisa iye Umdombo ndiwe wake tithethela nawo kwake kuna umwe usaka longe wa lokuzini Umdombo wake ulibhisa konga ngono iwoyo isvitake kuti longe ngabandichi kuyitinongula taketingula nawo Umdombo take ndio wake uthethela belebeleka nawo ipapeya belebeleka nawo iwoyo wake uyako ndio ngweno vanhu vanoti kukai kuna matari zvinhu zvakumashona ndizvezvo hata izvo zvakankwedu yo matari yawo isviki kwankwedu kwake kusina matari isvitake titama Umdombo ndiyo wake tithethela nawo
kwazivai maZimbabweni ini ndiri mbuya madhau panoti takabata fodya tidzidzisana nenyaya yefodya dziri muno muZimbabwe marudzi nemarudzi anoshandiswa nanambuya nanasekuru nyangwe nevazukuru vedu vanodzishandisa fodya kana zvasvika nguva yekuti vazvishandise. Kune rematare munongoziva kuti panguva dzose tinopinda mumatare kana tichishanda vanhu zviya vanhu vasvika vazukuru vedu vauya vapinda mumatare medu totora fodya yedu yematare tosvitsa kuvakuru kuti vatiudzewo zvinonetsa kuvazukuru vedu kuti chii chiri kuitika kuvazukuru vedu ndo toshandisa kumatare. Kune iri rehondo munongoziva mukati matiri murudzi rwedu tine hondo dzatosangana nadzo dzakawanda mukati meupenyu hwedu, saka tinotorawo futi ibute fodya yehondo topira naro togeza naro kuitira kuhondo dzatinenge tichirwisana nadzo, hondo dzechinyarudzi, hondo dzingava dzipi dziripo, tichikumbirira kuti hondo idzodzo dzirege kuti ataka. Kozoya Chambwa kuno kumatebelend hakuna, asi kwedu kumashonaland chinowanikwa Chambwa zvikuru sei. Chambwa chinoita zvakawanda, tinochitora Chambwa tonopirira kumudzingi kwedu tiri mumasango, tinacho Chambwa ichocho tichireverera zvese zvatinenge tichida mukati menduramo dzatichirarama, mukati menhamo dzedu dzatichipirira kuti zvinhu zvedu zvivhurike zvifambe zvakanaka. Saka mafodya ese aya mafodya anoraramisa mukati meupenyu hwedu, zvinhu zvedu kuti zvitifambire zvichinda nemarudzi kuti zvifambe zvakanaka.
So just to tell you how I do this, my spiritual practice, but I think with time we'll sit down and just have a detailed video on that's I think I'm still on a journey, on all a self-awakening. I think as human beings, self-awakening actually happens on an everyday basis, and the aim is to get to the true essence of ourselves, true essence of our connection with uNkulunkulu, true essence of the connection with our ancestors. Set my alarm around 2:55, then start the prayers Ukuphahla at 3 o'clock. Then after that, I don't know if you can see, but I think it's shooting on a wide, as I'm already wearing my gym attire, so some of this, so that do the meditation. It's also something that I really love, getting into that space, the present moment, wherever I go. If we're shooting, we are in that space and give our full attention to whoever and the place that we're shooting. Write like journal, just my thoughts, ideas, and also read some scriptures. Then head to the gym. 5:30. Today I've got a class, so we're going to do some aerobics. So have to, like I said, about intention, where everything is just so pure, and I'm going there to give out positive energy and also receiving positive energy. So that's the work of Snuff. Different types of Snuff, and the applicability differs across cultures. But with the research that you also know, you'd find that most of the similarities are actually more than the differences. Okay, Principal Umphahlo here. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one. This talk on the role of Snuff in African spirituality, an important connecting tool. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.